Doggies for tuning into my channel, and today I'm going to show you the most amazing remote control trick ever existed on this world. Now, I appreciate it's not rocket science, but very good to know. And if you know a little bit about electronics like myself, then you will have to find solutions for problems. So check this out, guys. Right, now, this hack came out a little bit of a desperation because I only had a crappy battery lying around, but it's full of, so it's a brand new one, but Kodak, not really famous for batteries, more the grandfather of photography. Anyway, to cut the long story short, here's a little bit of aluminium foil. I'm a little bit of a hobby chef myself, so please check out my juicy steaks. Not only the steaks are juicy, I've got a partner too. Right, anyway, all you need to do is just cut the same size, yeah? Shove it in here. Obviously, aluminium is conductive. And I just let me don't put the lid on because I don't want you to guys believe that I'm using, or think, not believe, think that I'm using some sort of tricks. No, this is what it is. It saves you a lot of money, obviously, because you only have to have one battery. So it's quite a bit of saving during the years, and that's what you do. Let's the monkey jump into the water. Bang, and the telly's on. No tricks, no special effects, and it's happily working. I just hit the Netflix button, and Netflix is coming on, and I'm going to switch it off again. No wire attached to it, nothing. So one more time that you definitely, and that's it. So thank you for tuning in. I'm just getting a phone call. Really much appreciated, and please like, share and comment. Doggies to be with me.